This is a video on how to start your own microworm culture and how to feed your microworms. So right now I have a pretty big culture going, and you can tell that there are a lot of microworms because if you zoom in and get real close, you can see kind of a shimmer, and that shimmer is the microworms. And if you look with your own eyes, you can actually see the microworms squirming around. So microworms are kind of interesting because what you need for a culture is yeast and like a very fine food, and this is because the microworms eat the yeast and the yeast eats the food. So that's kind of cool. So I already put yeast. This is the yeast right there. The microworms will eat that. You also need to aerate your little cup. This is quite a big cup. I'm going to spread that around. This is quite a big cup. Normal cultures are in this. I'm going to start a new culture in this. So all you have to do is to start your own culture, get like a cup like that, and there aren't any microworms in here, I don't believe. And get your baby food. Right now I have carrot baby food because carrots have carotene in them, and that really helps to color fish. So I'm not going to put very much, just a little bit of food. That's plenty right there. And I'm going to put the rest like right here. This stuff smells pretty bad though, so if you want to use like oatmeal or like instant potato soup, anything like that, that would be fine. So after that, I'm going to put some yeast on. I'm just going to get a pinch of yeast, sprinkle it on there. Get some more. That is plenty. And then you can get a little thing of microworms, like a little handful. You can get you can order microworms online, or you can get some from another friend that has microworms. And you can feed these to fry, like a week-old or 2-week-old fry. But if they're a fry younger than that, you want to feed them like brine shrimp, and I have a video on how to care for those. And so what you have extra on your fingers, you can just feed to your fish. Your fish will eat them, especially your tetras and stuff like that. So just put them in the water, and you can see those algae eaters are going after them. Kind of clouds up the water, but that is fine with me. It's so healthy. And that's about it for raising your own microworm culture. They're very simple. You can't really do much with them except feed them to smaller fish. And you can see them kind of squirming around if you look very closely, but I'm sure the camera does not pick that up. And that's all. But all you have to do is feed your microworms maybe once every 3 days, once every 4 days, if you feed them very little. You could even handle feeding them once a week. So thanks for watching, and please watch my other videos on how to grow worms.